Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'd like to present a stock that I've discussed in my previous video, BNGO, Bionano Genomic. Now before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that bell notification. I post content on the stock market and investing. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or CPA. Please use your own research and investment decision. Let's go out there and make some money this week. Now let's get on to this video. Bionano Genomics operates as a life sciences instrumentation company in the genome analysis space. The company develops and markets the Saphyr system, a platform for ultra-sensitive and ultra-specific structural variation detection that enables researchers and clinicians to accelerate the search for new diagnostics and therapeutics targets and to streamline the study of changes in chromosomes, which is known as cytogenetics. You can see that during the last week, BNGO went up from around the $5.30 area to now $9.30, about 90% up, but still is about $7 lower than the high reached on February 16th, and its MACD lines will be crossed soon. Here, that's a good sign that its share price is in an upswing. Bionano Genomics also presented at the H.C. Wainwright Global Life Sciences Conference last week in San Diego. They had a virtual presentation which took place March 9th through 10th, 2021. The presentation by Bionano CEO Dr. Eric Holmlin is available on demand through the H.C. Wainwright conference portal. And as discussed in this Yahoo Finance article, Bionano is a genome analysis company providing tools and services based on its Saphyr system to scientists and clinicians conducting genetic research and patient testing and providing diagnostic testing for those with autism spectrum disorder, as known as ASD, and other neurodevelopmental disability through its Lineagen business. Bionano Genomics also announced a few days ago that Praxis Genomics received DEX-Z codes from Palmetto MOLDX for its entire testing menu of laboratory developed tests, as known as LDTs, based on Saphyr. The DEX-Z code modifier is a unique 5-character alphanumeric code associated with certain molecular diagnostics tests and is typically used by certain payers as an adjunct to non-specific CPT codes when no specific CPT code applies. Recently, MD Anderson Cancer Center publication shows how Bionano Saphyr system can significantly reduce time to actionable results for myelodysplastic syndrome patients. In a head-to-head comparison against traditional cytogenomics method, Saphyr identified all actionable variants plus important variants missed, improving clinical stratification for patient treatment. Bionano Genomics, the largest hospital diagnostic lab in Canada, pilots Bionano Saphyr, seeking to convert 30-year-old workflow based on multiple technologies into a single high-resolution assay to transform cancer diagnosis. Dr. Adam Smith commented, "The hope is to leverage the unique power of optical genome mapping, as known as OGM, by developing a new Saphyr-based assays intended to resolve diagnostic questions that are challenging with existing standard of care tools." Bionano Genomics to report fourth quarter and year-end 2020 financial results and hold a conference call and webcast on March 23rd, 2021. And usually before earning reports, such a stock has a big rally. Then after earning reports, it will depend on how good its earning report is as compared to the expectations as well as the market environment. But most likely or statistically, I would guess that its share price will drop after its earning report on March 23rd, and maybe we'll see some slight uptrend in the stock before the earnings date. Recently, ARK issued its Big Ideas 2021 report, in which ARK presented 15 disruptive innovations, and one of which is long-read sequencing. In this section, long-read sequencing, ARK stated that the genomic toolkit is expanding to provide a fuller, richer, and more accurate view onto biology, and Bionano Genomics was listed as a company which can provide optical mapping technology, which is one of the indispensable parts of this toolkit. Bionano Genomics is the company which is leading in this domain. This was huge, and it meant that the advanced technology, the uniqueness, the state-of-art disruptive innovation that Bionano Genomics possesses in this domain. I guess that ARK will soon be including BNGO into its ETF ARKG. If that happens, I believe that BNGO is set to go up to break its high of $16 immediately, and very probably in the very near future at $20 or $25 or even $100 at the end of 2021. TipRanks gives an estimate of $14.33. Bar chart gives a strong buy and current direction in the average. I believe that once the earning report is out and ARK does something, the direction will be changing pretty quickly. Finally, CNBC has 2 analysts giving strong buy, 1 analyst giving a buy, and 1 analyst giving a hold rating. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below if you have BNGO. Are you looking forward to its earning coming up March 23rd? Having these biopharmaceutical company, bio-innovation companies can be pretty tough to dissect, but I think that BNGO has a bright future. Again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.